Ocean scooter. Setup procedure. Hello, this is Stone Girl Joyce. Today I will show you how to assemble ocean scooter. It is very simple, easy, and rapid. This is the propeller unit. This is the main unit, control unit, and some accessories. And this is the inflatable body. First of all, unfold the inflatable body. Then open the storage battery cover on top of the main unit. Take out the storage battery, and then take out the inflator as well. Please unscrew the two nozzle caps at the back of inflatable body in advance. Put the inflator into one of the two nozzles. Insert the inflator cable to the storage battery jack and start inflating the body. For the sake of safety, ocean scooter has two air chambers. After inflating the first air chamber, we have to screw up the nozzle immediately. Then start inflating the other one. The procedure is the same as the above and will take about 3 minutes. After that, put the storage battery back into the main unit. Put on the cover and screw up the two locks. Then, place the unit in the middle of the inflatable body. On top of the main unit, there is a jack on top of the main unit, which will be inserted with the plug of the control unit. Connect them up. Please note that the two blue knobs of the plug must be fully fixed between the two holes at the place of connection. And now, the assembly of control unit is done. Second, turn over the inflatable body, get through the hooks under the main unit. The two magic tapes of fixing the main unit. Stick them together. And finally, insert the propeller unit to the connecting pipe at the bottom of the main unit. The procedure is the same as that of the control unit. Now, all the setup procedures come to an end. We have to check the storage battery power before launching. Turn the switch by 90 degrees from position off to on. Besides, there are 3 indicators on the control unit showing different storage battery power. High stands for full power, mid, half power, and low, low power. The handle on the right is to control speed. Turn towards yourself to accelerate the propeller unit while the whole operation is normal. Let's launch. When launching and disembarking, paying attention to the depth of water. It must be at least 2 feet, otherwise the propeller unit will be damaged due to the attraction. Now you can enjoy yourself. After use, remember to take out the storage battery. Unscrew the inflator nozzle. put into another hole and exhaust the inflatable body. Replace all the accessories into A-Stone's travel bag. How suitable it is! Let's go. See you next time. Bye bye.